What sparked the rapid advancements during the Industrial Revolution? The steam engine was a game changer, transforming industries and travel. Originally, it was developed to pump water out of mines, quite fascinating. This innovation allowed for faster production and transportation of goods. Trains powered by steam engines connected cities, changing how people traveled. The textile industry also flourished, with machines speeding up fabric production. These advancements led to urbanization, as people flocked to cities for jobs. The Industrial Revolution laid the groundwork for the modern world we know today.